Hi, everyone. It's time for today's edition of Case or No Case here on Fox Focus. My name is Melanie Ricks, and I'm being joined by Jeff Pitman, attorney at PKSD Law Firm. Hey, Jeff. How are you?
I'm well, Mel. How are you?
I'm doing well. What you got for us?
Okay, so you're leaving my office, which is on the corner of 3rd and MLK, and you're driving northbound because you wanted to go on McKinley. And so you're approaching McKinley, you're in the left lane and in the left turn lane, and you have the left turn arrow. Okay, now there is traffic that's coming southbound also. There's a car that's going to be making a right turn onto McKinley, and you'll both be going westbound on McKinley. You make your turn on the green arrow, but you make your turn into the right travel lane of McKinley, not the left lane, the right travel lane. That car making that right-hand turn crashes into your car, and that person is injured as a result of that crash. Case or no case against you.
There's probably a case there.
Probably a case because the law says if you're making a left-hand turn, you have to make that turn into that left lane, the lane closest to the left. Since you turned into the right lane, you really denied them the opportunity to make that right-hand turn into their lane. So there's probably a case.
Well, thank you for that, Jeff. And if you're wondering whether or not you have a case, all you have to do is dial the threes. 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.